Well, that's the start gate right there, right? Yeah. It's steep. Which gear do you usually start in?
Huh?
Which gear do you usually go in?
I have no idea. Can't breathe.
Yeah. I thought my altitude stuff was better, but no, it's still.
Wanna go first?
Sure. Yeah, see, it's so freaking steep.
Yeah. Do it. Back to my old.
But yeah, this is looking nice actually.
Yeah, dude, the guys have been riding the fence pretty good. Hey, can you holler if people come?
Yeah, this is. So I don't know what you do through here, but I've gone basically low.
Wait, this wasn't right? You couldn't go that way?
You can go both ways.
Oh, okay.
But you can go whichever way you want. So that's new. I don't know what that high line is.
Yeah, it looks like there's not too many cars here.
That might be taped off.
I think this is spectator, right?
Yeah, it was last time.
Yeah.
But yeah, so see, I went low because it was easy. Once you go here, you have a nice clean shot. I've done the high one during
practice.
Yeah, and I think during seating I did the high. So yeah, I was doing this and just pointing straight up here.
Okay.
Into this rock.
Dude, yeah, this is, you can't really get up here.
What's up?
If you're going that line.
You can, it's just hard. I've seen guys do it.
You have to brake super hard.
But yeah, so I was going up here and that was the only way because you want to go inside.
Yeah. Gotcha. It looks like
this changed. This used to be a pile of rocks.
Yeah. It all kind of fell down, it looks like.
Yeah, I was trying to go high through here and then between the trees on the right.
To the right, yeah, straight lining it.
Yeah. This is where the enduro was starting to kick my butt, where this was fine, but right when you pick up speed and then you hit, like there's like a little bit of a catch berm you sort of hit to go around that tree.
Yeah.
And like stuff like that, like I was on the brakes right around here already. Like I couldn't just let go.
Yeah.
Because I felt like I was gonna hurt myself.
Go Steve! That's not good.
All right, here goes nothing.
All right.
These beautiful flowers here.
Yeah. Don't touch the purple ones, man. Purple ones are bad.
Sorry, man, I was on clip the whole way.
Dude, yeah, I can relate, Ralph. I know how that feels. I didn't get all the way high on that right hand.
There's deep ruts that we got to jump.
Yeah, I feel like there's
from the other line
now.
Everything.
It looks a little cleaner now.
Well, this was the line last time.
That's what Gail's doing.
Yeah.
Shutting himself out of here. than Gunsmoke, Boneyard.
Yeah. This is not like crazy.
Way easier than Boneyard.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of this.
Yeah, this is all rollable now.
It is.
This used to be pretty nuts.
There used to be like rocks here. I don't know what happened. Like,
I feel like they're all like they're just down the trail now. They're down there. Let's try this one right now.
the high one.
Yeah. It looks like rollable.
Yeah. I tried to get into it, and when I came up here, I ended up missing this and went this way.
Oh, that way.
And then that shot me there, and I went over.
Gotcha. Yeah.
That looked way too easy.
Yeah, the second part looks.
Yeah, he just gave a little whack there, but I went super slow and it was still fine.
Yeah?
Yeah. Didn't even hit the bottom bracket.
No, I didn't. See, that's what I was worried about.
And this bike ride's really, really low because it's 27.5.
Yeah.
Ooh, dusty. I get the feeling they might change what happens here.
I have, like, because last week I was talking with those little ACR
Yeah.
Angry Squirrel Racing kids, and they're like, yeah, they're going to change so much.
Are they?
Like basically the trail will be the same, but the lines and like features, like they might add rock gardens, they might add jumps. Oh, you want to take lead, bro?
Yeah, lead this one. I don't remember this at all. This is one section I think I want to, like, it's one that you go in, you're like, this is there's nothing there, but there's a lot of little features you just react to.
That's always changing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just a lot of tree dodging.
Take the left side because I did the right side of
Double side.
I think the left side was what they had on the race last time.
Yeah.
That's why I was thinking maybe they'll make us do the right side.
I don't know. We'll have to find out in 3 weeks or 4 weeks.
That section feels so fast now.
Dude, it feels actually pretty good.
There's like no rocks there.
Yeah. Yeah. I hate that. You know, there's that rock that's right in the middle of the trail at like the end of that section.
I went around it.
I don't know what to do there.
I've
You go round to the left or right?
so I went around it now, but during the race run I just went over and it was fine.
Yeah.
It just looks weird because it like comes at you sort of.
Yeah, and then when you go over it, you're landing right on that triangle there rock too.
And then you're just kind of like, yeah, it's not pleasant. But that's what I did because going around it it's way too slow.
I think I'm gonna park it here and walk. What do you think?
Yeah, we can.
That way we don't mess up the because I kind of want to hit it after we look at it.
Yeah.
Our really only option is left of the tree, right of the tree. What are we doing? We're doing this line right here, right? Yeah, we're doing this.
So I've been going to low line.
Low line? Okay.
That's what I've been hitting, but
Dude, honestly,
high line is better.
high line doesn't look half bad.
I don't know why I went low line, because I don't know why.
I like high line.
Okay, yeah, I remember this.
High
Yeah,
line, basically, then you could just go
you go here
here, hop
inside
right
of
over it.
this route, and then
We're gonna land right here.
how are you hopping to land all the way from over there to over there? Really?
Yeah. If you have enough speed, you just gotta pick up the bike.
From here?
Yeah. Like you'll probably
Yeah.
land on the backside of this route.
That's what I'm thinking. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you're way over there. I'm like, dude,
Well,
that's.
not like the bike, like right here, you know. Which the hard thing is gonna be, we're gonna get bound up on that tree right there. So
Well, now the key is
this high line is gonna start pushing us into like this way.
if you make sure to go high of this,
Yeah, yeah,
and as long as you go high of this guy,
we're set.
it should be good.
Yeah, and be on the right side of this route too.
Yeah. Basically on the route,
Yeah.
and
yeah.
then
And then right up. Oh shoot! Sorry, man. Hey, okay.
ah! Speed!
Nice.
That was some good speed.
I felt like that felt so much better in that area.
Yeah,
I like that.
it still threw me off, but it was better.
Yeah. You want to go first, and then I'll wait like just enough for the dust to settle.
Either way, because if you go first, I'll wait time for dust to settle too, because it's like,
Alright.
it's kind of, yeah.
All right, here goes.
All right, good luck.
Yeah, I'll see
You got this. good save. Oh, ruined that one. How'd it go?
I didn't like. I just don't have endurance and like the juice to do a full run at race pace.
That part felt okay for me.
Yeah.
Did you make any mistakes, right?
No mistakes, but I definitely took it like at a safe pace.
Yeah, I was taking it a little easier,
Yeah.
but I made some mistakes here and there.
Yeah. I just like, I can't hold the race stance the whole way down. And then my arms are just on fire.
Well, oh,
Trail One is my biggest supporter, and they make some very well thought out components, each of which gives back to the trails that we ride. Check them out and use the code supportthetrails-Pete for a discount at checkout.